Welcome to my channel, Clark the Realtor. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Davon Clark, your local Metro Atlanta real estate expert. Today we will be touring Powder Springs, located in the Metro Atlanta area. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and put your notifications on to be alerted when new videos get uploaded to the channel. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining us. Do you like new construction homes? Find yourself right at home in these single-family, two-story detached craftsman-style houses. Living on the outskirts of Atlanta couldn't get any better than this 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,133 square foot home. If you are a person that is looking to be energy efficient, these homes are right up your alley. They are certified by the U.S. Department of Energy as Zero Energy Ready homes. Filled with so much indoor light from the many windows and open floor plan between the living room, kitchen, and dining area, these homes offer quartz countertops, Energy Star stainless steel appliances, and hardwood floors with carpeting in the bedrooms. On a slab foundation with no basement, these homes put you in the top-rated Cobb County School District, elementary-wise Kemp, middle school-wise Lost Mountain, and high school-wise Hillgrove. Are you tired of always climbing the stairs as well, or want your guests to be downstairs when they're visiting? These homes are offering a primary suite or an additional bedroom on the main floor. And if you have cars, these homes offer a 2-car garage with a driveway to fit up to 4 vehicles. This community has an HOA of $1,150 annually, and these homes are currently priced in the mid to high 600,000s. And if you are a person that wants to design the interior of your house, they are offering for a limited time $30,000 in free design options, along with $20,000 in closing costs with their preferred lender. Why not bring your family home to the best? You are minutes away from downtown Atlanta, and if you would like more information in regards to these homes, reach out to me. My email is below. Happy viewing. I hope to hear from you soon, and welcome to Atlanta. Let's continue the tour.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My email is below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.